HTTP methods are ways for the client to show their intended action when making an HTTP request. There are a lot of HTTP methods, but we'll cover the most common ones, although mostly you'll deal with the get and post method. The get and post. The get request. This is used for getting information from a web server. Get is used when you just request something. Always is the get method. When you request a web page, when you go and ask for a video, ask for a web page, ask for a shopping cart, that's a get request. Post request, this is used for submitting data to the web server and potentially creating new records, creating new accounts, sending information through forms. Post request. Put request, this is used for submitting data to a web server to update information. This is the, again, input forms. You use put request. Delete request, this is used for deleting information records from a web server. Deleting accounts. Answer the questions below. What method would be used to create a new user account? Post. What method would be used to update your email address? Put. What method would be used to remove a picture you've uploaded to your account? Delete. What method would be used to view a news article? Get.